YouTube hands-on access with the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and this is the perfect time for Samsung to have actually allowed me in here because my want for the outer screen panel to get wider and bigger and more like a traditional phone, well, Samsung said hold my beer, baby, and they have actually delivered on that. And this is the Z Fold that I've wanted. I got my Z Fold 6 right here. I'm going to show you guys really quick the larger inner screen. Now, a lot of people were worried about this because they were thinking that they couldn't palm it. Now, I don't have the largest mitts out here. I'm not 6'8" and all that stuff. You know what I mean? 5'10", 5'11" on a good day, if you feel me. But as you guys can see, I'm able to palm this without any issue, and I can use it one-handed still. And this thing is skinnier than I expected. Bigger front screen, baby. I'm super happy about this. I was able to text and swipe with one thumb with accuracy finally now. Okay, so the Z Fold 7 is 8.9 millimeters thin, but 4.2 millimeters thinner when it's unfolded. And we're talking 8.9 millimeters versus the Z Fold 6 is 12.1 millimeters. What a reduction. This is nice. Like, you literally can actually pocket a Z Fold now. Let me show you guys. As you guys can see, and it feels like a regular phone, and that's next level. Listen, man, get your pocketbooks ready, player. I'm gonna tell you now, my pocketbook already empty. Listen, Z Fold 7 100,000% is a major go, yo. These improvements, in my opinion, I know there's some things that everyone wanted in the sense of battery and whatnot, but like I told you guys, I always do the top accessories. You should more than likely have everything you need to keep your battery going. I'll take the slimness for the trade-off of battery. I'm gonna just keep it a buck. Yeah, 100%. I don't want it to get any thicker than this. No. Here are all three main colors for the Z Fold 7. You got the black, the blue, and the silver. Now, there's a Samsung.com exclusive, the mint. I'll put that on the screen so you guys can check that out. The mint is fire too. I mean, we all know this, but 200 megapixel camera on the rear. The hump isn't as bad as you would think. Like, man, listen, with how slim this device is, the camera is straight. Everyone was talking about, you know, there was going to be the punch hole, but it's a nice wide camera and it looks better quality. That's far more usable. So yes, the punch hole is there. You know what I mean? If I stretch out, the punch hole is there, but it's not affecting my viewing experience. Honestly, earlier I was recording like HDR video. Obviously, I'm looking at it through the camera lens, but it didn't even like stick out to me. So it is what it is. You know, we have punch holes and pills on other devices. Why not accept the small one on Samsung? I'll take the circle over the pill as far as like, you know, obstruction any day. Man, this is my first impressions. I'm here, you know, just doing this on the spot. I just wanted to make sure you guys got my real authentic on the spot reaction to this. I'm loving it. As a Z Fold enthusiast, as someone who has come out to say, even though the S25 Ultra obviously right now is like looking like the best phone, for me personally, I'm a Z Fold person. The Z Fold 6 was hands down my favorite phone of last year. And I mean, listen, a little early to say, but the Z Fold 7 looking like contender for phone of the year for me, in my honest and humble opinion. For me, like I said, for me, S25 Ultra is obviously the beast, but Z Fold 7 all day, baby. Z Fold 7. And this is absolutely on time. My name is CJ. I know tech, so you don't have to, but you guys know everything. You're probably going to tell me everything that I don't know after I drop this video. Peace.